Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to do an unboxing of my printed mint Mood Diffusers. In my previous video, I talked about the specs for the Mood Diffusers, and I also showed you guys the designs that I decided to upload. My product is here. I went ahead and take the tape off the box so it'll be easier for me to open it. So I do have a few specs for you guys. Again, when it comes to shipping, my product shipped on August 17th and it arrived to my home on August 23rd. Each Mood Diffuser was $7.50 each, which ended up being about $15. I do the deluxe packaging, so they do charge that $150, and then also shipping was like $6.69. So total of my two Mood Diffusers was $23.19. Not bad at all. I am going to go ahead and show you guys the box. My logo sticker is on the back. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. I screw up opening this box, but you get the vibes. So always they have the order forms of what you have. I got the lavender Mood Diffuser, which is a prism shape, and then I got the thank you Mood Diffuser, which is a cube, which is Tahitian Vanilla. Again, my Coins and Connections cards. I changed to craft crinkle paper from, I think I had either done black or white before. Take that out. And each one has my sticker. It has a sticker, Coins and Connections, and this is how it's tied on there. You can see that in the plastic baggie. All right, and then I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I'm gonna pull the card out. Okay, here is the thank you one. You remember I said that the Mood Diffuser would hang in front of the words, but because you were taking that off, to me it really didn't matter. But as for anyone else, if that bothers you, just make the words lower down here. So I remember, I'm gonna go to my computer because I remember it's saying something about how to use the product. And I want to make sure that I get it right. This one is the Tahitian Vanilla. So now I'm gonna open the second one while I wait for my computer to pull that up. So this is the Prism. Has my sticker on there again. Comes in a baggie and is tied. I'm gonna go ahead and open that one up as well, so you guys can see what it looks like. So the paper, I don't know what, it's like cardstock. Might be a little thicker. It's matte. My picture looks really good. The fonts and everything, the colors are exact to what I chose. And this is the Prism Mood Diffuser. So it is the Prism size, and I actually got lavender. It says lavender for you, my favorite color, a beautiful. You wouldn't understand the love I feel. You wouldn't believe the joy it brings. I want to give you a mood booster. Lavender, my favorite thing. I know I was a poet. So here you go. Both of my Mood Diffusers, the Prism and the Cube. Again, the knot is tied so cute on the back. They look really well. All right, so I am pulling up information about the Mood Diffuser so we can all be on one accord on how these things work. It says, fill the box with your fragrance mix, replace the wooden lid, and rotate the wet wood. Oh, is the wood supposed to be wet? There's a little plastic tip right here, and you can take that off. It might cause me issues with these nails on, but you can take that off. Hopefully I explained that right. This is not a tutorial on how to use the Mood Diffuser because I don't want to mess up my computer or my desk, because it says avoid spilling the oil because it can ruin some surfaces. So I am going to leave that to the pros. Go over to Printed Mint YouTube channel. They may have a tutorial on how to fill these up. I just wanted to show y'all my cute Mood Diffusers and let you guys know what's new over at Printed Mint. And hopefully you guys can check these out and add these to your shops. These could be wonderful Christmas gifts. Super simple, very affordable, $7.50, and you can design your own card. You can make one for everybody in your family. I think these are super good gifts just to give to someone, maybe someone. Go ahead and check out the Mood Diffusers on Printed Mint. And if you haven't signed up yet, go ahead and click the link in my description box and in the comment section to sign up for Printed Mint. If you are seeing this video and you watch to the end, tell me have you been enjoying all of my review videos on all of the products from Printed Mint, and what product should I review next? So again, I thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and until next time.